Ghana fue yedie na bayo yedie na bay Epestin fertilizer booster. Aya purely organic. Efrasa simu ane ya de masa sino obo ade ensa no pe. Na menu akayo se wudro bia nim. Enti se ode yafu a anya ade aduaba no anase wo a wudi no benya soso bia. Na chese be ma kwaye aye dekorate kane no a ebe fa na tuma pa e de efra. Na de ma Epestin edan so kra de se enema no wadua na ewuwo na flowers ne aduaba na etiti go no agya wadwo a se wudi Epestin kanu a ene tese magic no ebe ye prom fe na aso aba bebre ahwadi mu pa etise se no kuafo ebenye sika ene anigye awo mabra bomu a na utimi se enya sam keto akora Epestin e mammo piafo apanifo monfrɛ ahoman na monje nkyiremu ya ehye medie 0552 505723 and a plus 160 922 78043 Epestin fertilizer booster piao mama fiaduma ayani kapa making farming sexy again Epestin operation feed yourself
Yo, what you for any Asha for Sabre Yada Munina as a day I obadi a pen I assign a shemubium. Sabre see a shemu say Namunya who's a things no a muachemianusana Reverend D.N.J. As to say Penacha saying Nayan himself and that day a baba ye dasrunkon and that day in Cranshaye here at the man watch ya yes Simono. Sa jumadi na ene wahihye ede man na sabre ye be stress sa wo paso a bo modern sa oba share video said obi nso jumadi be ye mfaso de be ma no yeda obi biara ase mo ama share nyina yeda mu nyina sinti sabre de Reverend D.N.J. ye be ma wo akwaba ede aba jumadi esurunku na de ameka nyina ne se yeda wase bebre se na watwe bia ye be hye ase bia no Ode jumadi sronkun eba na se nkranhye sam sronkun eba ode brain enam so ema ye na watwe na ye besimu no etimi ekoyeye na etimi ye asomdwe ede mayen na esan ye inhira ede mayen ti ye ma akwa abade ba jumadi so na mebisa se enade yi de be sronkun na wahihye ode brain
akwadwo ye da atiefo nyina so ase megiri se adom se obi ede na daje ebe ma na otwe bia na obeba betie enti even though say ye ba na de bia kwadwo ye da ase ya mi hira but megidi say aseda so enkoma atiefo that they spend their time and they can listen to us. Yes. And one other thing ne atiefo nso so omba betie yen a omofamu aba na omri di djuma na enti the Ekainan saying, God bless you so much. A month ago, no, now we have started looking at some positive things. I may develop that positive mindset. So these are some of the things we are discussing. Last week, we tried, say, Yama Ubie, who said, Adebia, we be say a strong, automatically there's something called fear. We experience it one way or the other. Now there are two ways a bit me fear. Now first way, say forget everything and rise, and that is a negative mindset. Now positive mindset, Nadia, or say face everything and rise. And I come with na yedi na ho ana yedru. Na mijiri se na yebetimi ato aso na yache. Adofo ne atiefo adwen asi. One other thing, so said now it should be a share. We are just looking at one way a bit me policy our thinking, our mentality now a beko enim na brabon a bit me we nkunim die edia maye and then you dear tiawabi and I'm a person me twon wadwen so na me topic I make am one say nyina no say fall forward na fall forward me be new bedin komo bi na yade aba besi sa ade ya ye ka ho asemi na debia no eya na me pese me kai atie for say this whole thing na ye no ne ti na nyina so Numbers chapter 13 ye Moses awasoma nipa mienu o makwa kwahwe asase no na mo baaye na ebi emu be edu ebu oman na bamu kansem bebre na omo implanting negative thought and negative emotions into the people. The Bible said Joshua and Caleb spoke more positively, encouraging the people to rather rise and go for the land. And we see these negative voices, we see these positive voices. No, yes, for test. No, yes, yesterday program. No, doso no kakra. But whatever we are talking about every Monday, is still dependent on Numbers chapter 13. And so you're a regular listener, and I may encourage you say, Debbie Aoba, at least have a view of Numbers chapter 13, about wow. Now, dear about Numbers chapter 13 more, and I teach you me person me share when developing the theme, Matthew the fall forward, and they say, those 10 people are now can't negative things, and not omubu or minor bemu. There's one thing yes, we have taken it as a theme and discussed it before. Say, Yemaya Sanka Betina, Egypt. And they started recounting some of the things they would have gained when they were in Egypt, forgetting the fact that Sankomoda Su Egypt, they will still be in slavery. Sanankomoda Su or Mizrima and Komeda Su Kwasumu. Even though there are one or two things, maybe this sense of fear, now Abuela will not be there. And this is how I want to draw attention to our discussion today. That everybody, every human being, experiences a fall in a way. In your life, who experience a fall. Yeah, Yansan I ever life, nobody namene kojedi komuna. Maybe some say Oshem Man City ne Leicester match maybe. And basically Osha said the match in his na Guardiola cry say he wants some campo anything. It's a fall, it's a major fall. And so sometimes these things happen to great people. Great people fall, great people make mistakes at certain times. Sometimes you try something, you try to do something and you lose. It is part of life. I am not saying, say, you lose the vision and not the dream. Now, you achieve the idea, see, and this is something that we should encourage. And as I say, something, I was say a precious. But what do you do when you fall? And that team no no. What do you do when you fall? And I've realized that some people fall backwards, others fall forward. And to me, per se, share some short video bina try a discussion so. Okay. In himself, for who said them for university here. And if I should highlight it, it's a dark now. On an emma do 10 of the dark lanes, omonam, and about quarter menemu. The bakuta menemo share and chino who say, Walusu bako. So, wasaba nechi, Anna wasaba belusin and money in ano. Then I am not saying that is a good news for a dark to lose in a babako. Biblically, in the Bible, I can say, why no one nine bibre nemu bako bayrana on San a chinkotion. Bible to be jadi akanyina hona bakwa confusion. There are some of the things that you lose in life. Things that you can regain. You can say regain. There are things be dane wachi now koshisha unsabeka wadi bia yera that nobody is discouraging that dear wadi bia tobebi nobody is discouraging that, but the cases you have lost something. It means that it is something you will never recover from it. There are certain things that you delays, and there might be delay or problem. You can turn back and go for them. There's nothing wrong with that. That is not my argument tonight. But then there might be a problem. And you know definitely that you can never get it. But the problem is most of the time there are two things that you bear. The negative person for tonight's discussion is the person that would dwell on the loss, and then the positive person is the person that will try to move forward even with the loss, And the Tiana America football as same say me did say my member and better say ye Eddie Amami. Say your share football season now. Team be what Robert so to me when in a match is to us by 10. Now when it's a match is not to us 10, I will lose one match, but will lose to us. When I say this, I have a particular team in mind. Team Bia, your friend is Liverpool last year. Amoje EPL no. Now you said they went undefeated. You guys undefeated. They were winning all their matches. They were drawing their matches. They were not losing any match. Omokoya undefeated. Maneka 3 points per now Omaje Cup. But they lost just one match. Nyamia do Momoje Cup as everybody expected. But from that day now, Molusu match. They lost other matches before say league. Every year. What am I drawing your attention to? There's something called motivation of mind. Whenever you focus on good things, whenever you focus on positive things, it brings positive results. Now, one of the things is when you put your focus on the things that you have lost. Everyone can be now, what's I say that? What's I say what's I say resources to worry about the things that you have lost. It's something that normally would take from you and can never add to your life. I have already differentiated. Say sometimes there are things that are delaying that you can fight for. That is not what I'm talking about. But there are things in your life you can never get them. I say ball league here na walu yasha onu walu su point one of the things they say and Arsenal and Liverpool are bobo yasha Arsenal yadia tumu, but next week there's going to be another match. So what is the coach supposed to do? He's supposed to forget about the fact say and then yasha no so that he can get the time to prepare for the match then anima only team for no kobo. But it's a coach in the was now the Mreno Tenase analyzing quite of us when there's a match ahead of you. A better purpose will be a Mranka was anchor. Would the CSC home now what did J what did Dim Kunim the Dewanisono and after whatever you're supposed to achieve, you are spent all the time worrying about what you can never recover. Positivity is also about accepting the losses in life and moving forward. Positivity is about knowing that this is a great fall. Appreciate it. It is a fall. What she has said. Bearman so she has said. She has said. Him for she has said. Everybody, one way or the other, falls in life. Abrabonya munkwana. Things happen in your life you cannot control. You cannot do anything about it. But worrying about it is a negative attitude. It doesn't bring promotion into your life. What do you do when you are falling? You allow that fall not to push you back, or you allow that fall not to push you forward. And one of my friends said, when you fall, you need to fall forward. Any point say, woman, I shall see a bamboo. Any kind of idea be a Kuntiminia Moshino, Ajotina baby Fako. And I hear me, if you focus on what you have lost, the short video, Nana, media trona, and that can focus on one that now 3 days, and it ended up in all. What are you focusing on? Energy. What are you spending and expending your energy on? Is it on the things that you cannot do anything about? You started something and Ekoye na did so ne nkranhye. Yes, be so what are you doing when you have lost something? Now this is the biblical test. I mean, person, you can't you sheni ye na you futu kakra efremu. 2 Samuel chapter 12. Bible, I think I can read it. 2 Samuel chapter 12. Write it somewhere. Now and Nathan departed into his house, and the Lord struck the child that Uriah's wife bare on him, and was very sick. David sought God for the child, and lay all night upon the earth. And the elders of his house arose and went to him to raise him up from the earth. But he would not, neither did he eat bread with them. And it came to pass on the 7th day that the child died. And the servants of David feared to tell him that the child was dead. But they said, behold, while the child was yet alive, we spake unto him, and he would not hearken unto our voice. How will he then vex himself if we tell him that the child is dead? But when David saw that his servants whispered, David perceived that the child was dead. Therefore David said unto his servants, is the child dead? And they said, he is dead. David now rose from the earth and washed and anointed his Lord and changed his apparel and came into the house of the Lord and worshiped. Then he came to his own house, and when he required, they set bread before him, and he did eat. And therefore, this is one of the very interesting stories. David Ba, Bathsheba, Abawono. Then everything shows said, Abofrano Oyare, Abofrano Nahuadinsa, Abofrano Nkwansedanidimu. And Bible said that David fasted, prayed for the life of this child. Or same brace one day, ya continent, the no to form a soon at the man of Freyinqua. Because Abofrano am Quano, not ocean, it is something not a baby brand at him. One of the ya famwa. And Yaga, Papim Sabofrani Wuye. Even the elders, but one does show Mukomodian Monum, me banana now, say I want no sorry free from good jare, and no sister in Tomano. No shot, dear F. fed the poor young no sorry in me. Best year, I don't know the animal would This is one of the classical stories that talks about a positive mindset. Somebody that thinks about what is ahead. That is what I'm looking at. I'm not painting the wrong picture to us. I share in your pain. Many of them I share in your pain. You lost that particular baby. But it is lost. You can never get it back. Yes, that is lost the center of our life, but you cannot do anything about it. You cannot do anything about it. They said just one person, Bema Bakupe Edinifambo. Because of that, she has lost interest in marriage. She will not marry. Just she lost one man. If he was a good man, I would not have even lost him. If he was a man deserving for you, but just because of that one loss, you are blocking the chance, you are blocking the opportunity to move forward. You started that investment, it is good. I am talking about positivity. I'm encouraging you to move forward. That is my vision here. And so it is good that you started that investment. It is good that you started to do something with your life. It's good that you started to build a company. It is good that you started to do something. But something just happened and you don't know how it happened and you lost it. It is okay. So painful. And what do you do after the fall? What do you do after the loss? Are you falling backward or are you falling forward? I just want to encourage you. There's something in your brain that is connected to something that is not making you forward. We have left Egypt. There were glories, probably there were relationships, there were other things in Egypt, but you have lost it, you can never gain it.
Because it's continuing.
If you focus on what you have lost, you might lose everything. David decided and said, I needed to invest my time in prayer, in fasting, so that but God has taken that wise decision. He has taken that baby from me. He has taken that husband from me. He has taken that wife from me. He has taken that business from me. He has taken that opportunity from me. May I apply to this institution? That institution, no, I didn't get the admission. It is the law. What do you do after the loss? Again, our person way. Into whom I start here, Bakuna, I'm sure it was about them. Now what's enough for now? Why do you keep worrying about what you have lost and can never regain? If you want to fall forward, let your loss push you ahead. And that is the determination. David Nyaye, the people were so amazed, the people were so surprised, but he understood some of the principles of life. This is one principle. I'm a person I wrote something here. Life has three parts. There's one part called your past. There's one part called your present. There's one part called your future. And in the midst of that past, there are losses. Idea be a friend said loss will be, and it is in your past. And you cannot do anything about it. Idea a friend who complete for be, and it is in your past. You cannot do anything about it. But please don't be negatively affected by that loss, therefore, to the extent, say, the loss in your past that is supposed to remain in your past affects your future. There's a whole lot of future ahead of you. A whole lot of future. That's that when you that's bet me a young baby. That's bet me the one more than baby. And so why do you allow that single loss in your past to affect what you can do into your future? I want to encourage us. I should be prepared. Some examination be if you said now see pen on one to me and Yanisa. You expected a particular grade. When you say grade, So what do you do? What do? Do you keep worrying about it? Now a bit affected with next paper, Nana. Do you keep worrying about it? Now a bit affected the relationship that you need to build. Do you keep worrying about it? Now a bit affected the opportunities ahead of you that you need to grab. Don't let the loss in your past affect what you can do for your future. If you want to fall forward, if you want to fall forward, it is natural for everybody to lose something. and natural. Some things come so naturally. And you might be and your fault. Some of the things are your fault. Your fault doesn't mean that stay and blame yourself. It is true. Let us face it. There are some of the losses in your life. Why would you say one phone so it is natural? Why you mistake? But there are other things that comes to your life. It is not your fault. You couldn't control it, and you couldn't get whatever you expected to get in that particular situation. It has become a permanent loss in your life. You cannot do anything about it. But like I said, you still have a future ahead of you. You still have your future ahead of you. What are you doing in order to secure the future? Or are you going to live in the loss of the past? If you want to fall, please fall forward. And I didn't think I'm making one that everybody is focusing on something. Everybody is focusing on something. And not something it should be in your future. That's something it should be how to build your future, how to secure your future. That's something now which you want to so the wakumesi no. I was say the BBA, Kuama with that, payama that in a conkai. And I realized that we have lost great opportunities because we are not available to grab the opportunity. One of the reasons why we weren't available to grab the opportunity is that we're worrying about the fall of the past, the loss of the past. I want you to develop this strength, this inner energy. And that is not what I'm saying. I know it is painful. I know you have cried over it. But when are you getting up from the earth? Sorry, free form. Oh, what's it? Then David arose from the earth. Sorry, free form. And he washed Anna Okojare and anointed himself. Technically, Amoka said, anointed himself. Person just was sry. One man anymore and Yebusan. One far are water the answer. He has a whole nation to govern. Or your henny. The whole Israel than the Nima. Or here, one thing, Yansania Quantre, at the Ababe or mining in any. And so he should just be there worrying about something he cannot bring back to life. There's a whole lot of things in your life. There's a whole lot of glory in your future. There's a lot of things God wants to do in your future. Sometimes the only reason why God closed that door is that He's opening another door for you. One of my favorite preachers, like I said, don't lose your mind over what you lost, because you're going to need your mind to prepare for what God is bringing into your life. Don't lose your mind. Don't lose it. Don't lose it. You cannot bring it back. It is lost. It is gone. But I just want to encourage a brother of mine. I want to encourage a sister of mine. That relationship is gone. That relationship is gone. And then I say be video be or too Facebook. Some woman be now also we cry there. Or a married woman, I was soon ne boy. Oh wow. That boy so she wants to kill herself. So you have lost the guy, so you want to lose your life. What kind of negative attitude is this? At least God gave you a day to live. That alone, do you know how it takes to create a day? Sure. One of the ATMC, every from. You don't know. And so the fact that what I will get us now is sorry, it's a great achievement, it's a great blessing. So if you have seen today, that is your present. And we pray that God will bless you with your future, with your tomorrow. But what happened yesterday, doesn't have the authority to steal the glories of your future. It should not steal your life from you. It should not steal the eagerness or the pursue vision. I was for some way in America near to David say, Matamfo, and my wedding Jimmy home. I said, Monsieur, that's sorry. Tell me to someone, but I didn't behind. I know you are thinking about the people you lost in your life. I know you are thinking about the battles you lost in your life, but you fail. Any David in your train, a catcher who say, Monsieur, maintenance, I shall see anymore. I'm sorry. If I fail, I am not falling backward. I am falling forward. Say, soon be na me more because I am an achiever. I'm sorry if we say so many more. I'm sorry if we say shall see anymore. Then I want to think ahead, move ahead, and achieve what is ahead of me. So only David here, Junior, and couldn't be about David, Brabuma. Sa oba krona David Nini Saya, or who yena Kodani Wuyeno, Yamena Mobano, so Eddie Solomon, bedroom David, Emma Solomon Babedina there. There's a door opening ahead of you. Don't allow that door that is closed now to block you from achieving your future. God bless you.
Yo, Reverend Yada Sibebre, I know say and message, you know, I touching. I don't say a bayin shra at the ama ubi, even though and I say bayin shra at the amayina. And yet, Bibia and Abia with me, and Yamre, a basso and temba, Mestres, Jumadi, Sempos, a query, ya, but modern Sobokaku tea be print now video, Reverend Maya play any how or explain it, you know. Mestres, Ubetibium, and nobody me up one who said, oh, yeah, precious, oh, yeah, more important than another. Oh, yeah, bigger than problems now. Woman are watching you say, oh, the problems is bigger than you. Tijami Kenya say, yeah, that's a brave, Reverend. I didn't person be say, Obi or Honmua will do a leveler, a beer, or person give it up. Obi or Hokra or person. Tessa when ya krananka on TV. Assemble na baka say nipano. Because it seems that person is falling back. And maybe a sabre or tie or share. As I said, Utimu says of falling forward. Intimate cerebri. Jabena.
Okay, so and for this is a particular question I think about a lot. And he may find the permission to say me Kwaku Anna Kwajo.
Yeah.
Mamma when him nam found come as and be why.
Okay.
We know what we say.
So
now Bibia Sima Brabomu. Me what I say.
Yeah.
Minya anka mentiasi. That is me. I don't know what you know.
Yeah.
And I wo so no. Bibia NC wa Brabom. That's what you say. I hope you understand it.
Yeah.
You have everything I was fighting for. You have everything I was looking for. The enemy should na every means I would you in every. And so everyone, sir. Which of them is better?
Well, what you say no?
Excellent.
Yeah.
It is said that medical and if it say you can create a deal, what give me more that you can't create it.
Never.
Sure. Or be me kwaba. This is me better in my church at Denver. They say, me one of the lovely women in the church. Nikunu Kogana or Grand 3 weeks aba. One yari or Ninitina Kruma or Yareda. Kogana aba. 20 me am sam baby. Or tea Nikunu it's something that I me call a yenas and I prayed about it. It worried me at the chair. Said that could if you and could come. It's very painful.
Yep.
But whatever you have lost the life. But you don't have all the things that you were looking for. But God has given you a precious thing, your friend said, and He has given you a day. You need to live your life worshiping God for the media amount. And so I'm not David T said Banewuno. Oh Jari or Kwasori them. He started worshiping God. At least I am alive.
Yeah.
At least the woman is still there. At least nyame besa shemeni mo nyama ma metimi asa awofofo. The door is closed. You can't do anything about it. Problems and challenges come for you to learn the lessons of life. Abrabono de atu untina unya ubefra asasi so no. It is coming as your classroom. So please appreciate say nyamiama departure war. Ghana yante Ghana na obi class oko office mewa as vice president mewa. And you know, yes, when in as president. That time I was doing attachment to a Techima. Now so for me attachment I know no best TV is the demise of the president. He was the president. He had achieved the biggest office in Ghana. Yet, Adia Ohia obeyed me live in that office in his life. But life never ends. You have not achieved what you were looking for. Okra is a boy be take a map cry feel. And I will lose no. And I mean you want to take your life. If you can't put that opportunity now, lose, you want to take your life and can you become home? God knows better than you do. Chill up. Life is the most precious gift in your media mind. Don't lose it for anything. There's nothing on earth in so and I say Oja means in a day. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. So if you read the Bible well, is it no I'm resuming. Just a day, God destroyed everything. Today, now we are simple that it's not. It doesn't belong to you. So if God takes it away, please, He has given you something that no other person can give you. That is life. Appreciate it.
Okay, thank you so much. Da Sibebre anasa ya da Sibebre etiefo ani ahwefo nyina de asedaka se ema se adwa da bia woni ehia na umay nkranhyesem na eboa yen na wotwe na yesi mu se de betim beboa be ma bibi biara ye bia akoyi ntidi ameka nyina ne se ya da Sibebre erade ema wonim de entre na nya kase na abre bia no wopa when your name the Samka ama ebin so asonye so na yetimi afa aba bi afiri mu a ye de be kan ya brabo ho na be boa be ma ya brabo betimi betumpom ye betimi be ye adwuma ono asaforade na nkasa asoma yesi ye be ye wasase so na ebe boa so be ye be free ye haw ne amane mu ntidi ye kan nyina ne se erade enhyira wo bebre erade enhyira wo bebre yada Sibebre say abribia no unya emre emayen. I think say mensa aka text bi ewa hanom text no Reverend bibi a wo pese o boss wana ana
yeah that is David tester that may come once
no okay enti yetiefo ne ahwefo test no enie ana say quotation ni ubetimi akwa akohwe ana say ubetimi akwa ready no na ebe 2 Samuel 12:15-20. I think say ye nyina ye boy home modern say ye be ready sa quotation na ebe boy bebre. Nti Reverend where dey kra say obeko ye hu na watch and then na wudi gya ye kwan and then na wudi gya tiefo kwan and then na wudi gya obi biara ekwan.
Busa fonti de ne titiro ameka nyina ne say abrabody you hu afami ensa. We have your past, we have your present, and we have your future. There are certain things that has happened in your past that a delay. There are certain things you can recover. I want to encourage you to fight to recover them. However, if you are a positively minded person, one of the things that makes you a strong person is to accept defeat, to accept that you have lost some battles, because everybody falls in a way. Everybody loses some battles in a way. And so a positively minded person is a strong-minded person. So who's idea a free means he accepts it. But or accept here on Tinemuma Adiana, what you have to say free means and Canada change. Because there's a lot ahead of you, no matter how big it was, there's still something ahead of you. You need your mind to prepare for it. So please, don't worry about what you've lost and you cannot recover. If you have fallen in life, please fall forward. But what you see any mum and found quite any moon. Since I was sure as any beko wachi. A bema dear was on council Canada tennis to sono. Once I shrew. So God bless you. I pray that you develop a positive mindset. Please think positive, speak positive, act positive, work positive. And I pray, say, when you're able to super dear good. So, yes, now what you said, now one gas or bravo assessor. Nampo past to be an akaya can watch channel. What's you and I wait me a gym? I wait me a with him. I'm a mishra at our bravo. So.
Amen. Amen. Where the that's be brain tea, the aya can say a radi in shall be brain tea. Sabre at your for any for message obi biara oba so but Monday answer over subscribe to Kwamet TV channel no na Jumadi say ekoso abribia watimi anya bi ahwe anase watimi anya bi atie na odi abo anase odi abo bra no because edu ba bia ye hia nkyerɛkyerɛ saa ye hia kasa bisa na atimi aboa yen e bia na ba bia wo hye no emu adene ofu sɛ opempempem a emie enti emra wa pa no unhia messages bi say na atimi ahye wo nkra mo watimi ahu sɛ metimi apema komanim anase de asi ni kra no memma no enha me na watimi apema komanim ti de akanya se erade insurance sa brede na chese ye kwakofa eye yaboafo commercials na se enusi na se mo antie nka biom a mo hu se de a roll wase no se okay, please subscribe and yeah no crampo na America every Monday make a date with us every Monday evening on Positivity 6 p.m. sharp with Reverend D.N. Ajay. Monday bia making sure say man say Jumadi empower because ebeye emfaso e the amount yada among as say yada like a sebema KTM mobile Madus Designs sounds na ekoma Apex 10 yada almost be brain this our brain here not just say any edin kra ne samu amuni abema mpusona na ameya aka ni clote aka St John aka Comet mene yankasa ya papa Reverend D.N. Ajay ena enyumrei yebe pie mu ha no ti de kanya se erade enhira obi biara where the Reverend message you come on. You say, God bless you, oh, God bless you.
I reach out myself, mommy. God bless you.
Yeah, that's brave for always supporting us. Even anya wo de no kwa onya bias nti your boy and some man program bia ebeba bia o share ti di ayen so yebaka kire na ne se erade insurance bi biara wo ye bia enkoyi emfa emane ti sta bread na chese ye kwa kofa commercial ye ba ya ne de dwumadie no eba awie ye da obi biara ase enamunya emre ebeka ye ho kati
I wanna share with you. Share together. Oh, KTA Mobile. KTA Mobile. Technology worth sharing.
It's the future.
Ghana fue yedie na bayo yedie na bay Apex 10 fertilizer booster. Purely organic. Efrasa simu ene de massa no obo ade ensa no pe na me nua kayo se wudro bia nim enti se odi yafu a anya ade aduaba no anase wo a wodi no benya soso bia na chese be ma kwaye aye dekora tie kane no a ebe fa na tuma pa edi afra na de ma epestain edan so kra de se eniema no wadua na ewuwo na flowers ne aduaba na etiti guo no agya wadwo a se wodi epestain kanu a ene te se magic no ebe ye prom fe na aso aba bebre ahwadi mu pa eti se no kwiafo ebenye sika ene anigye awo mabra bomu a na otimi se enya sam keto akra epestain e mammo piafo apanifo monfrɛ ahoman na monje nkyiremu ya ɛkyɛ medie 0552 505723 ana +160 922 78043 Apex fertilizer booster piao mama fi adwuma ayani kapa
making farming sexy again.